we got big boy toys. Nick, this thing can crawl. Check this out. Crawling. Ooh. Nick is like, this car's too damn low. So we've decided to film a video. If you guys watched my clutch video, we're gonna do a police one with Nick. So I'll be the idiot driver, and Nicholas over here can be my popo.
All right. So something happened to Mike's car. No, it's like a fat ass bolt just popped off. It's like a big bolt came off. I think it's from the axle or something.
Probably one of the arms. Oh shit. Okay, guys. But look, we just backed up. What the hell happened? This came off of it. Oh my god. And this is what happens. Oh my goodness. Dude, holy shit. Hold on, look, watch this, watch this. Look.
Oh my god.
Hey, Rob, you want some camber today? I feel like camber, let's push it in.
Say camber your car.
Oh my god. Okay guys, so Rob and I just finished filming a little skit. Use number 1. Pulling over.
Can I see your license registration, please?
Yeah, here you go, officer. Can I ask you why you're pulling me over? And as we're driving back to the office, no issues at all. We're pulling back here, it's backing up like normal, and we hear a loud clunk. And so I'm like, well, that's weird. So I pull the car forward real slow, reline up the car for the parking spot, and it feels really rough. So we get out of the car, and we see pretty much that. Shit, dude, look at this. Look at that. Oh my god. I wonder how that happened though. That's the weirdest part. Yeah, Rob, I don't think this is normal.
My car does it.
That's right. This is the driver's side, and I don't know if you guys can see it, but I'll just describe it. It fits through, there's a nut on one, but the nut is missing. Holy shit. Dude, it's loose on this side. I can hand spin it right now, the nut. That's crazy because there's not a lot of miles on this. Okay, right now, the inside is it's just threaded in, so there's no bolts right now. And we're just gonna try to drive it really slow to the back. Really, really, really slow. Yo, Rob, that could have been bad. We could have, if that came off as we're driving, we could have went into a wall or something. That is scary. All right, so we're gonna try to see if we have one of these random nuts we have fit inside. All right, so John and I are gonna do something really sketchy. I'm gonna limp the car back really slow all the way back to the warehouse so we can park the car and put it on the lift later to figure out what's wrong with it. But no, none of the nuts work. Okay guys, sorry, today should have been a better vlog, but this is kind of what we're dealt with today. Oh, I know, right? I'm aired out at normal ride height. Still good? Okay. Is there a spot for me? John's over there. I have a little bump over here, but it's not a big deal. I think I should be good. I'm gonna have to take one of the cars home today. So what they're gonna do now is they're gonna pull the truck out, and then I'm gonna put the Subaru in, and then we can work on it later. Okay, I'm pulling the Subaru inside. Straight. Get it tucked in here, and then we can work on it tomorrow at least. All right, e-brake up. Windows up. Holy crap, check out this behind me. It's a huge fire. Oh man, I really hope whatever happened is okay, but look, it's not that far from me. All right guys, the Subaru, let's talk about it. All right guys, good news and bad news. So the Subaru is okay. We got it back into the shop. Everything's sitting down just fine. The bad news is, well, we were supposed to get the car going so we can drive it another 40 miles so we can get a smog. So we can't do that. Somewhat of a good news is tomorrow, if everything goes to plan, we're supposed to be working on the bags tomorrow. So we might be able to fix and adjust things as we're there. But bad news is we don't exactly know what the nut or bolt is and what size it is, but we can figure that out. I think probably the best news is Rob and I didn't get hurt when we were driving because, like I said before, we were filming and we were driving on rougher roads. I wasn't going fast. But to think that if I didn't get back on the right time and I didn't park the way I did, then that could have been really bad because that thing just completely fell apart. Okay, imagine a bolt like this, right? And on the other end, there's supposed to be a nut like this. Well, on the passenger side, this was missing. And eventually, after the vibration of driving, this popped off. So I went completely cambered instantly. Yeah. That's the Subaru as it sits for now. Hopefully we get it back on the road. I really like driving it, but it kind of sucks this happened. But I'm glad we're all okay. On that note, guys, if you guys want to support the channel, we do custom printing of posters and clothes here. If you guys want to visit jdmbrand.com, just check it out. If you guys don't want to buy anything, that's fine, but spread the word. Much appreciated for that one too. Well, kind of on the bright side is I get to take the GTR home today. Although I really wanted to make sure I stack the miles onto the Subaru. It has about 55 miles on it, so 60 miles maybe. So I'm really close to the 100-mile minimum to smog the car. I can take this one home. I don't mind. If you guys haven't been in the GTR, you gotta press this button to unlock it and press this, pull the lever out. Just like that. Hey baby girl, hey, the Subaru broke, so I'm gonna end the vlog now so I can work and hang out. Can you say bye please? Hello, my darling. Look how long her hair is. Excuse me. Tap, tap, tap. Can you say bye to the vlog? Bye. Can you say I love you? Come here. Can you say bye? Bloop, bloop, bloop. Can you say bye? Bloop, bloop, bloop. Can you say I'll see you later? Later. Yes, ma'am? Bye. What's up guys, it's Mike. Sorry I haven't made a video in a long time. I have a new project. I'm starting, I wouldn't say really a business, but a little something, making holsters for guns. If you guys don't know, I love my car and I like guns. So if you guys want to check out my website, it's called phantomconcealment.com. There's also an Instagram on there too. So check out the website. If you guys like guns, you guys need a holster made, let me know. But in the meantime, I'll still make videos for you guys. You know, I really love making videos, so I just have to find some time set aside for you guys and set aside for my my holsters, and also set aside time for myself, my family, and my work. So this video, I'm going to talk about one of the most common questions I get is blow-off valves. When you first get a turbo car, you're super excited. You want to get something that makes the turbo sound really nice. So what comes to mind? It's basically a blow-off valve, and I'm guilty of that too. With Subarus, they're a little bit different. You can't exactly just slap a blow-off valve on your car and make it do the big sound and make the car run okay. I have a video up that's pretty old actually of my car having a blow-off valve, and it ran a little bit weird. It ran fairly smooth, but every once in a while the car would backfire, so basically it would pop after deceleration. So I'd accelerate really hard, go to shift, between the shifts, it'd pop. And that's not what you want. My basic understanding of it is the air is already measured. So if you're venting the air out into the atmosphere, then the car doesn't know what the hell is going on. It's thinking there's air there, but all of a sudden there's no air. So it's going to be bad for your car. So basically, just to sum it up, no blow-off valve for your stock Subaru, because it cannot run that way. If you have another system where you're doing a front mount intercooler, the air is not measured yet, so yes, you can have a blow-off valve. If I'm wrong, correct me. That's my basic understanding of it. All I know is when I had the blow-off valve on the car, it sounded really weird. It sounded cool for a second, but when it popped, I didn't like it, so I went ahead and removed it right away. And I went with the other option was buying a cob intake. The cob intake makes the car sound very loud, so that's a really good option. Instead of buying a blow-off valve, you get a carb intake like I did, and you can hear the stock one, and you can hear the intake. It sounds like a freaking airplane sometimes. It sounds really cool, but it's also really expensive because you obviously have to get the access port too. But that's my suggestion. If you guys want to get a blow-off valve, just make sure you do your research. I did my research, but I'm like, hey, you know, people are maybe exaggerating, so I didn't listen. I went ahead and got it anyways. But that's pretty much it. And you know, I get this other question where people ask me, hey Mike, why aren't you on the forums? If you guys are one of my early viewers, you guys know my thought about the forums. When I had a Camaro, which was back in high school and in college, the forums were great. They were places where I met a lot of my friends, and we had car meets every weekend, actually every Friday. And if you had a question, the forums would help you. People would hop on, they'd tell you, hey, this is what you do.